Let's make instant noodles in English! This is a pot. This is a stove. I put the pot on the stove. This is a measuring cup. I fill the cup with water. I pour the water into the pot. I turn on the stove. This is a packet of instant noodles. I tear open the noodle packet. I take the noodles out of the packet. I put the noodles into the boiling water. I tear open the seasoning packet. I add the seasoning to the pot. I crack an egg into the pot. I stir the noodles with a wooden spoon. I wait for 3 minutes. The noodles are ready! Oops, I forgot something. I take out a cutting board and a knife. These are green onions. I wash the green onions under running water. I chop the green onions. I sprinkle the green onions on top. All done! Let's eat! Enjoy your meal, everyone! See you in the next English mission!